Door knocking works, but keeping track of leads, follow-up, and contracts? That's where agents lose time. Managing leads and follow-ups manually is messy and time-consuming. That's why we created Real D2D, a complete system to keep agents organized, consistent, and productive in the field. Built by agents for agents, Real D2D is the mobile-first platform that takes you from the first knock all the way to closing a deal. Let's take a look at what makes Real D2D the complete toolkit for today's real estate professional. Contact First CRM. Stay organized with a Contact First system that gives you a complete view of clients and leads. Interactive canvassing map. Track every knock, mark homes, and visualize progress. Smart drip campaigns and automated follow-ups. Stay connected without missing a beat. DocuSign and contract management. Send, sign, and store everything digitally. Shareable digital business cards. Showcase your listings and expertise instantly. For teams, Real D2D delivers shared dashboards, canvassing reports, and performance tracking, keeping everyone aligned and accountable. Real relationships build real results. And with Real D2D, you'll always stay top of mind, from the first knock to the final signature. Real D2D. Try out our free version today.